How to disable do not disturb on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click Hub, and after that click the three lines and then settings, and here you will find it, enable notifications. Here is it, click on it, and that's it. As you see now, if you can see here do not disturb, it means that do not disturb is disabled. And that's it. Now just go back, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.